And the most powerful thing we're doing on video is we're answering the questions clients are asking Google or they're asking Siri. And these are the results that are coming up in Google search now. And if you can get a video to come up in these results, or they find it on your blog or on your website, it's going to be very, very effective in getting that person to know, like, and trust you and then hire you for your services.
Hi, welcome to our Happy Rainmakers video series where point one can make a difference. I'm joined today by Jay Berkowitz, who is the founder and CEO of 10 Golden Rules, which is an internet marketing company for law firms. Thank you so much for joining us, Jay.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me, Jennifer.
Going back to those reluctant marketers, somebody who knows that they need video, but they've never actually recorded any. Can you help them a little bit, even over Zoom, to get over that fear? Can you maybe give them,
1,000%.
some questions to answer or script out something so they can
Yeah.
practice just, getting over the fear of doing those first couple of videos?
I mean, look, the most important thing I always say is that you don't have to be a TV actor. All you have to do is literally what we're doing here today. We're both sitting at our desk and we're answering questions. And every lawyer has clients who come in to see them. They get asked and answer questions. They know the kind of questions we're putting on video, they've been asked 100 times. And they're explaining to the client what they have to go through in their case, what they're going to have to do to, fight the insurance company, or what a mediation would be with their spouse, or depending on the practice area. They know all these answers. And the most powerful thing we're doing on video, as I mentioned, is we're answering the questions clients are asking Google or they're asking Siri. And these are the results that are coming up in Google search now. And if you can get a video to come up in these results, or they find it on your blog or on your website, it's going to be very, very effective in getting that person to know, like, and trust you and then hire you for your services.
Sounds like a plan. So, for anybody who is watching this video saying, oh my gosh, I really should have had this guy, Jay, working for me all these years, and obviously we're going to have your contact information and they can reach out to you. But how will they know if they're a good client for you?
Well, a good client for us, I said this a little bit ago, is typically someone who is a consumer facing attorney. And so their clients would search for them on the internet. Personal injury, divorce, family law. We've done a lot of sex abuse, terrible category, but thankfully there's some lawyers who are supporting these families. And someone would go to the internet and they'd search for you. So those are great prospects. And in particular, if your leads are down, you don't know why, but that you joked earlier about the nephew set up a website for you 5 years ago, and it was doing great. And you were maybe in a smaller market in a niche practice, and you got a ton of people came from your website and your Google Maps. And over the past 5 years, it slowed down to a trickle. Those are typically the folks we can help turn everything around.
Sure. And I hope that you can probably put together a package that can meet the price point of a larger firm or a smaller firm, just
Yeah.
the type of marketing that they need.
Yeah, we, like a lot of firms, we have our silver, gold, and platinum packages. And the silver is generally for, like you said, someone who leaves a firm and they're starting out on their own, maybe a couple lawyers. We have a great example of, a couple local attorneys left two firms and they started their own firm, and they're doing great. They're getting 10 or 20 cases from their past firms and referrals. But we've been able to top it off with another 5 or 10 cases a month from Google Maps and local service ads. So, that's kind of our starter package, and then it goes all the way up to customized. We've done a great service for a large brand that a lot of people know, Law Tigers,
Mhm.
which is like a franchise for motorcycle accident lawyers. And any lawyer can add the Law Tigers brand to their marketing. And so, for them, we were working in about 60 markets, and it was, a huge engagement and custom pricing.
Understood. Well, thank you so much for being with us today. And obviously, if you are watching this video and you think you probably need some of Jay's help, you should use the contact information and reach out to him right away.
Awesome, Jennifer. Thank you so much. Great to be here.